Here is the correction video of question number 16 part C, Feb March 2026, IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2. Okay, now in question number 16 part C, I did the mistake. We need to figure out the area of the major sector. Okay, now the part C states that the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter, means OC and OE. This length is 6 centimeter. From the center to the circumference is the radius, right? Work out the area of the major sector EOC. Okay, EOC. So which one is the major sector? Major sector has the largest angle, right? So we have already done in part B and we come to know that the angle EOC is 150 degree, right? This angle is 150 degree because when we double 75 we got 150 degree. If that angle is 150, then what about this angle? Okay, so we know that the whole angle should be equals to 360 degree. So from to get the angle EOC from 360 degree, the whole circle, which is 360 degree, we have to subtract 150 degree. So from 360 take 150, which is 102 degrees. This angle is 110 degrees, right? So if this angle is 110 and this angle is 150, so which one is the major sector? Major sector is a sector which a major or the bigger angle. So this one is the major sector EOC, not the other one. Sorry, I did the mistake, so that is why I'm making another video for the correction. This one is my major sector, right? Now we need to use the formula for area of a sector. Area of a sector of a circle is half radius square theta. Radius is 6, but theta should be in terms of pi, means in terms of radians, right? So we have to convert the degrees into radians, right? So let me convert degree to radians. All right. Okay, so in order to convert the degree 210 degree into radian, we need to do 210 degree multiply pi over 180 degree. So whenever we convert some degrees into radian, we time that degree with pi by 180. Right, so this is 210 over 180 and times by pi. Let me simplify. All right, so this 0 is cancelled with 0. 3 times 7 is 21 and 3 times 6 is 18. Both are divisible by 3. 21 is a multiple of 3, 18 is a multiple of 3. 3 times 7 is 21 and 3 times 6 is 18. So the simplified angle is 7 pi by 6. This is a simplified angle. 120 degrees basically equals to 7 by 6 pi. Okay. Now substitute everything into the formula. You will get the area of a sector. So area of a sector would be equals to half. The radius is 6. So take 6 square. Multiply the angle is 7 pi by 6. Okay, so this 6 and this 6 is cancelled out. We are just left with 1 by 2 into 6 into 7 pi. Okay, and 2 times 3 would be 6 and 3 times 7 gives you 21 pi. Okay, so here we can say the area of major sector that is equals to 21 pi. This is the area for the major sector. All right.